Hey guys, Jay here, and today I'm styling a wig for Lucifer from Hazbin Hotel. This is a wig from my friend Atlas, and he bought it on Amazon and had it shipped to my house to style it. If you want to get this wig too, it'll be linked in the description. Honestly, this wig is super easy. The only thing was we needed to make sure that we got a wig that already had the white fibers in it for whatever those white streaks are, as I didn't want to do that myself. The only thing that is quote hard to do on this wig, if you look at Lucifer, he has a couple of small pieces that come out like a cowlick almost, but they pop out on either side of his forehead, depending on which direction he's facing. This is not possible in reality, so we opted to just not do them. If we were to do them on one side, then it would only look right in photos when facing one direction, which limits the poses that he could do, so not having them removes that limit and allows for more poses. Plus, I've seen a bunch of cosplays of Lucifer, and pretty much nobody does any of these little tufts anyway. As you can see, to style the wig, I just started by combing the hair out, and then I started to back comb the front of the wig. This is usually done when spiking wigs or when doing just really heavy styling jobs, but for this time, I'm actually only doing it purely for volume. The front of his hair kind of poofs up, so this will help it look like that. So I backcomb the heck out of the majority of the front of the wig, and then use the comb to straighten out the hair that lays over it, followed by some hairspray and using the hairdryer to dry the spray and keep it in place. The sides need to go behind the ears, so I use a lot of hairspray and the hairdryer to lock the fibers in place. And just so you know, this still may come unstyled by just the act of putting the wig on, so you may need to fix this once it's on you. The last thing I do is kind of spike up the back of the wig. It's not really spiked, but this is hard to explain. It doesn't just lay flat. The bottom of the back of the hair goes up to meet with the rest of the hair, and I don't know what this is even called, but there are other characters that have this in their hair, like Sora from Kingdom Hearts or Cloud from Final Fantasy VII, and so I've done it with those two. I just have no idea what this is. But Lucifer's hair does this, so I'm doing it. Also, one last thing to note, this wig is already made to be parted on the right side of the wearer, so that's how I'm styling it. If you use a different wig and you need to add this part on one of the sides, whichever one you decide, the way to do that is using the hairdryer on high and holding it against the area you want to part while holding the fibers in the direction you want them to go. This should force a part into the wig. Alright, actually I had to restyle part of this wig. While editing the video, I had to get that image of Lucifer that I used earlier to show the little hair tufts, and I never noticed his hair actually has sideburns. The art style makes it really hard to tell, as well as no one in this show has ears, so I never noticed. So I combed out some of the right side and cut it down to make the sideburn. For the left side, for some reason this wig has a space on the temple area that has the netting showing. So I just opted to pull a bunch of hair out of the slicked back style and let it fall against that part so you can't see it. You can also see that I pressed the hairdryer up against it to try to force it in that style, so that was something I had to do as well. But this still works out fine and looks good, so I'm happy with it. Then I just fixed the rest of the wig that came unstyled when I did this alteration. But honestly, that's it. That's the entire wig.